Hola a todos and welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for fun and effective Spanish lessons. Today we are going to tackle a verb that many Spanish learners find tricky, verbo gustar. By the end of this video you'll be using gustar like a pro, but before we start, remember to visit my website www.spanishsupertutor.com and sign up for an awesome masterclass that will take your Spanish to the next level. Now let's dive in. El verbo gustar. Gustar translates as to like, but it behaves a little differently from English counterpart. Instead of saying I like pizza, in Spanish we say me gusta la pizza, which literally translates as the pizza pleases me. Interesting, right? Here how gustar works in the present indicative tense. I like, me gusta. You like, te gusta. He, she, or it likes, le gusta. We like, nos gusta. You all like, os gusta. And they like, les gusta. Now, let's make this fun. Let's talk about hobbies. Bailar, to dance. Tocar la guitarra, playing the guitar. Jugar al fútbol, playing football. Escuchar música, listening music. Ir al cine, going to the cinema. Leer, to read. Jugar a los videojuegos, play video games. Hacer deporte, play sports. What do you like? ¿Qué te gusta? For example, if you like to dance, you can say me gusta bailar. Or if your friend likes to read, you can say a mi amigo le gusta leer. Your turn. Tell me what you like to do in your free time and please write it in the comments. Now let's talk about meals. Pizza, pizza, hamburguesa, burger, pasta, pasta, fruta, fruits. This is very similar to English. Sopa, soup, queso, cheese, carne, meat, pescado, fish, ensalada, salad, verdura, vegetables. If you like pizza, you could say, me gusta la pizza. But what if you like more than one thing? Like pizzas and tacos? Then gustar changes to gustan. So you could say, me gustan las pizzas y los tacos. Me gustan instead me gusta. Subscribe to my channel. Fantastic. Now let's move on to jobs. Profesor, teacher, fontanero, plumber, banquero, banker, arquitecto, architect, ingeniero, engineer, payaso, clown, and camarero, waiter. We can use gustar to talk about jobs too. For example, me gusta ser profesor means I like being a teacher. What about you? What's your dream job? Participate in the challenge and masterclass of the verb gustar and win an annual subscription to our Spanish language school, Spanish Super Tutor. This subscription is worth more than 300 euros and it is free to participate. Click on the link in the description or in the comments and participate now. It is for free. Remember, I am giving away 10 subscriptions. Are you ready to participate? Go ahead. Remember, mastering gustar will take your Spanish conversation from basic to brilliant. And if you need more help or want to take your Spanish to the next level, don't forget to sign up for my masterclass on my website. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to learning Spanish is easy. Practice, 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 and practice. So hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, and keep using gustar in your conversation. Hasta la próxima, amigos!